Heat in a transparent teacup liner and shell. You can see the liner opening and shutting. When it's shut, which would be the D phase of pulsation, you see that the walls of the liner are making contact and the end of the teat is being compressed. You notice that as the teat compresses, which would be during the C phase, milk flow stops about halfway through the C phase, and then as the liner opens again, milk flow begins about halfway through the A or opening phase. This is a much slower version of that same strip of film, and you can see again as the liner is opening, that stream of milk is coming straight out at the bottom of the teat, and it gradually impinges on the wall of the liner, and there's a fair amount of splashing and so on going on underneath the teat. Now we're shifting to a view from inside the teat, looking down through the teat canal. When you see white, it just means the teat's been massaged and compressed around the catheter that we're looking through. When you see that little dark triangle, that actually is the teat canal, and now it's wide open and it shuts. Now we're in the rest phase. A little while later, it opens again. Milk would be flowing out through the teat canal. You can see that the teat canal begins to shut before the liner actually compresses it and forces it shut, right there. So that's the effect of edema or congestion of fluids filling the tissue of the teat canal, starting to close the canal before the liner actually massages it the rest of the way shut. You can just see this cycle continuing, open, reducing a little bit, then closing. We'll see that again. Here we go, open, reduces a little bit, then shuts. So this liner is timed just about right in its B phase. Just about the time the teat begins to congest, the liner goes ahead and shuts it and massages it. And as that cycle repeats, we try to get the milk out of the teat without undue congestion or undue lack of massage.